Don't let this frustrating sign in is not available error lock you out of essential Apple services on your iPhone. Let's get you back online. First, we need to check if the restrictions themselves are the culprit. Open your iPhone settings app. Scroll down and tap on screen time. If screen time is enabled, this could be the reason for the sign-in issue. Look for the option to turn off screen time at the bottom of the screen time menu. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. If you don't remember this passcode, you'll need to reset it, which we'll cover briefly later if needed. Once you've entered the passcode, confirm that you want to turn off screen time. This will disable any content and privacy restrictions that might be blocking sign-ins. If screen time wasn't the issue, or after turning it off, let's check another common cause. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on General. Within General, find and tap on Date and Time. Ensure that Set Automatically is toggled on. An incorrect date or time can sometimes interfere with Apple's authentication servers. Next, let's address potential network connectivity problems. Go back to Settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Try turning Wi-Fi off and then back on again. If you're using cellular data, go back to Settings, tap on Cellular, and toggle cellular data off and on. Outdated software can also lead to unexpected issues. From the general settings, tap on Software Update. If an iOS update is available, download and install it. This often fixes underlying bugs that could be causing sign-in problems. Finally, a simple restart can resolve many temporary glitches. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and then press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. After your iPhone restarts, go back to the sign-in screen for the service you were trying to access. With these steps, you should now be able to sign in and enjoy your iPhone's full functionality again.